What's going on YouTube? Today's video, Maono went ahead and released a brand new product. This is one of their best selling microphones that are on the market. This is the Maono A04 Gen2. So this has some micro improvements to be able to improve the audio if you like the last version and you want to get an upgrade, or if you just wanted to test out the old version. So as we're unboxing this, I'm going to tell you guys what this new specifications are, and then we'll go ahead and set this up and test out the audio. So the main improvement is now this does have XLR and USB-C instead of the USB-B connection that the old generation had. You still have the same capsule, sampling rate, SPL level, and SNR level. Obviously, the huge purpose of having USB-C is for not only universal compatibility, it's also just cheaper and easier to use USB-C, especially power efficient. So you could use this on your phone, your MacBook, your iPad, anything you possibly want that has USB-C connection. Also, a new update is that this does have new Maono Link software compatibility. So all you have to do is get the driver and you can customize it on the fly. And later down in the future, it is future-proofed with the XLR input in case you do decide to get an interface or an audio mixer in the future. Within the Maono Link software, you can update things like the DSP audio, has presets, has noise cancellation, compressor, limiter, and more things that you can go ahead and check out. This is a Cardioid condenser pattern for the puller rating, and it's also good for about 2 to 6 inches when it comes to the range. So this is a kit that you can get for under $80. I think it's like 67 right now, it's under 70. So it's going to come with your boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, windscreen, or wind muff, whatever you want to call it, just to get you started and rolling, which is kind of the downside to this microphone. You are stuck with this kit. I'm just going to say that straight up. You are stuck with the kit if you ever want to upgrade in the future to get a new, you don't want to use the shock mount or whatever. You're stuck with that one. You can't basically have it built into the microphone for the thread in order to change to whatever you're liking. You could change the boom arm, which is good because the boom arm, I really do not like those types. That's just personal preference, but the spring-loaded versions, I just don't like them. They're annoying, they're cheap, they're noisy, they always come loose, they end up falling. There's just a lot of issues with it. I do not like that generation of boom arms, so hopefully someone will make a better version in the future. That's a new standard, but these ones I just don't like. In terms of the audio quality, let's go ahead and test them out, and we'll go ahead and give you guys our overall review. All right, so this is what the microphone looks like when you have it set up. So we have it on the desk here. We have the pop filter applied, as well as the windscreen, just to see what it sounds like. This is a non-sound treated room, so it's going to have a lot of echo when it comes to the entire room without any sound treatment. So this is what it sounds like without the pop filter, just the windscreen now. And finally, we're going to try out without the windscreen. This is what it sounds like fully raw. This is what it sounds fully edited. And hopefully it sounds pretty good. I mean, I've never tried the original, but the Gen 2 has minor tweaks. So Peter Pepper, Picker Pepper, Pellins, Melons, you know the deal. So for the explosives, Peter Pepper, Picker Pepper, Pellins, Melons, you know the deal. Now the ideal range is about like 3-4 inches. I walked right into that. He did too. That has to be game point or game kill. Has to be. I hear footsteps like right next to me. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified because I can't see anything. I knew I was gonna die anyways. I like this gun. I just tried out a new gun too. We'll try another one out when we do another map. Hopefully it's like a far range map because it's an AK, or not AK, it's a assault rifle. Alright, so you guys seen all of the comparisons. We did a voiceover, raw, edited audio. Then we did some noise in the background with the gameplay, just to show you guys what it will be like in a live stream scenario. Everything in this microphone, it gets the job done. It does have some issues when it comes to plosives, of course, if you don't have the pop filter, so it's kind of necessary to use the pop filter. but it still sounds clean. Like the microphone itself still sounds clean. Are there better microphones out there that are probably gonna sound better? Yes, but once this does drop in price, I know more people are gonna buy it. Right now, it is a little too high in my opinion for the price range. I would say a $50 range, like exactly 50 bucks, $49.99 would be exactly the sweet spot for this microphone right now. But at the time being, if you want to get it, it's going to be a little bit higher. We do have more microphones coming up in the future. So if you want to see more microphone comparisons or other microphones, visit my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.